Hey guys, Boneyard here. So today I got these two tractors ready to go up for sale. I'm going to put them out there tomorrow. And also this all-wheel drive Husqvarna that I found at the dump. Tuned it all up, got it running good. This was a free tractor. I didn't have a seat, so I just put some black Gorilla Tape on it. Good enough for now. Person that buys it wants a new seat, he can go get one. But this one, I took the deck off and I cleaned it all up and painted it. I put new blades, new spindles, new deck belt, new drive belt, a new cable for the decking gauge, brand new battery, grease lubed everything up. I serviced the engine. I even got the headlights to work. I had this given to me last fall and it's been sitting over there for the winter. So, you know, I changed the oil and, you know, the whole routine. New fuel filter, new air filter, fuel pump was shot, put a new fuel pump on it, and I also put a fuel cutoff on it, a new spark plug. So yeah, start her up. So it runs good. So this one's all set. This is going to go out there. Then this old MTD. This one actually had a rust hole in the deck that I patched. I'll pick it up and show you what I did there. This got a 12 horse flathead in it. Same thing. Changed the oil, new air filter, new fuel filter. I put two new belts on it. Two new dry belts. The deck belt was decent, so I left that. And what a pain in the neck changing these two dry belts. They're not fun. But this came with a nice bagger. Nice bag on the back. The seat was totally shot. I had this Husqvarna seat that I put on it. Bag's in good shape. Let's start this one up. Put a fuel shut off in this. Maybe I will though. And I also got the headlights to work on this. I think this one you got to have it running for some reason. So let me pick the lift up, put the deck down and pick the lift up. I'll show you a patch job. Nasty rainy day here all day. Watch your ears. see right here. Hopefully you can see. Let me get a flashlight. Bear with me for a minute. Not very prepared today. Wasn't really planning on doing a video, but I figured I'll show you guys these before I put them out tomorrow. So I put a patch right there and I welded it in there nice and tight, and then I put some silicone around the weld, and I give it a coat of flat black on the deck, and I also put new blades on this, and like I said, new dry belts. The deck belt's pretty decent still, and I put a tube in this tire, so that's going out. With the Husqvarna here. And I also got 2 rototillers and another push mower up in my other storage that's going to go out tomorrow too. I like to use these clamps on here when I go to start it. It's an all-wheel drive Husqvarna. I don't have the bag, but I put a mulching blade on it, a new mulching blade. Same deal, service, you know, the whole 9 yards. Cleaned it up. I had another one just like it, but it had a Honda engine on it. I already sold that. So we're going to put this one out tomorrow. And let's start this up. Don't know what I just cut up. Some paper, I guess. Paper towel. So yeah, that was my project today. It's supposed to be nice tomorrow, so I'll put them out there. Put my for sale sign out, and hopefully I get rid of them. Hopefully I get rid of the tractors first, because I don't have much room. I don't want to leave them outside now. I cleaned them all up and got them running good. So hopefully they're gonna go pretty quick. Alright guys, just a little update. Boneyard Garage today. Thanks for checking out my videos. Really appreciate it. We got to get on another build. I got to do something. I've been doing a lot of customers repairs, but you can only make so many videos of cleaning carburetors and sharpening blades, right? So got to come up with some more good footage. I do have out here, which is, I covered it all up, but that's an X-Mox commercial 0 turn that I got to do a service on. So maybe I'll do a video on that. I'm going to probably do that in the next couple days. So stay tuned for that. Alright guys, have a good night. Be safe out there, and Boneyard's out.